4K videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a 4K video format. If this is your very first time of being to my YouTube channel, my name is Upscale Kingsley, your favorite online tutor. If you have any question at any particular time, please feel free to ask and drop your comment. 4K video format is one of the highest video formats that makes your video very sharp and very clear. But before you create a 4K video, you must make sure that you're using a very good camera. If it's not a 4K camera, you have to make sure the output quality of your camera is very clear and very sharp. Creating a 4K video file with Filmora video editing software is very easy. Once you're done editing your video and you want to create your video, you want to export your video, come straight to export, go to create video, go to setting, make sure your encoder is selected on H264. Now go to custom, select 3840 by 2160. Now go to frame rate, select 60 FPS. Go to bitrate and select 80,000 kbps. Come to sample rate, select 48,000 Hz and go to bitrate for the audio section and select 320 kbps and say OK. Once you say OK, name your video and click on export video. Make sure you select best before you say OK. This is going to take a little while because creating a 4K video takes a little bit of time depending on how fast your laptop or your system is. So this is how you can create your videos in 4K and upload on YouTube. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up, which is the like button. If you'd like to be seeing this kind of tutorials from this channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.